Call from our neighbor, or one of my friends, I guess, my neighbor, saying they had a cat stuck in the tree. So I don't know. We're gonna see what we can do to get the cat out of the tree. Anyways, we're on a ride down there. Maybe Elvis can help.
There's Elvis. There's Bonnie.
This is Elvis, the disgruntled pig right here. Hold on. See, I'm disgruntled. Look at that. What's up?
Good. Ready.
Why are we in the car?
Because we're going to get a cat. So right now we're backing up to the barn to get the 40-foot ladder for rescue cat.
Bonnie wants to go. Bonnie!
We're gonna load our pig up with us. Maybe. You gonna load the pig up with us? Pig. There's the old bikes.
So me and Drennan are going. Me and Drennan and Liz. I don't want to forget Liz. Say hello, Liz. We're gonna go get a buddy of mine's cat out of his tree. It's been up the tree for 3 days. So we're gonna go see if we can help him out. We hooked up to the trailer. We got a 16-foot trailer with a 40-foot ladder. Hopefully we can use that, and if not, I've got some tree climbing gear, tree spikes, and safety rope. I mean, safety belt. I don't have a safety rope, lineman's belt, and we'll see what we can do with it. It's gonna be interesting. I imagine the cat's probably content being up there, so I may want some gloves. Anyways, we'll see what we can do. Well, we're here, but I don't think my ladder's gonna do any good. Cat is our height. He's at least 40 foot up there. We can get you a shot here. He is way up there. Oh, this thing's in it. Alright. Hi, kitty.
Yeah, we can take that ladder and I can climb up there.
Have fun tinkling if you guys tinkle.
Oh.
We put a can of tuna at the bottom, hoping that the cat would come down to get it if it smelled it. As like a last.
I think it would come down eventually.
Well, I mean, dadgum, it's been 3 days, and one of those days it was raining all day, and it didn't come down.
Yeah, it's going to be interesting if he decides to go further.
If he decides to go further, we're not going to have a choice. We're going to have to cut the top of the tree out.
Well, I can't say I'm exactly a professional cat remover. You know what I mean?
Yeah. Do y'all like cookies?
Yeah.
Y'all like cookies?
Yeah.
They're terrible, man. We don't eat cookies.
Yeah, we do.
Oh, okay. I was like, dadgum, Jessica's going to make something to say thanks.
Oh, yeah.
Check it out.
Yeah. That cat saw Deacon coming like a freight train, and I was away. Yeah. That guy is freaking crazy. But God bless him for being crazy, you know? Hey, kitty. Now, Matt, if we can, depending on how it goes, you know. But if we can, we're going to try to put it in the garage. You want me to get a blanket in case the cat tries to drop or attack you? You can just drop it on me.
Oh, I was hoping you were trying to catch me.
I'll catch you, yeah.
And I'll try to catch the cat. You know, also kind of shaky.
Thanks for pointing that out.
Yeah.
I'm sure that makes you dance.
Like,
You're awful high up, kitty cat.
yeah, don't go any higher, please, cat. It's kind of gonna risk us a little bit.
What you doing? I hear
Yeah.
It's like you got it.
Hey, Liz.
Don't
You
go.
have a funny school. Watch out on this barbed wire.
I got to get it. Don't even think about it, kitty cat.
you out down there, Mom.
Yep.
We got it.
Hang on.
Now, is that good?
You're gonna be okay. Well, I mean, I did this. That's how I went through college and stuff, you know. I did a lot of this. The cat is not too happy right now.
Shocker. I gotta think about this. My wife is tired about this cat.
Really?
She's real sensitive.
She got you.
Okay. It's okay, kitty cat. It's okay, buddy.
Woo.
Good. Poor baby, 3 days. My goodness. Hi. Oh, look at this sweet kitty. You like pets? Yeah.
All right, so we just went got the cat out of the tree. What do you think about it, Jordan?
It's pretty crazy how we did it.
Yeah,
It's pretty high up there.
it all ended up working out. The cat came out better than I did, anyways. Oh. Hey, thank you guys for watching.